So I have this motion sensor outdoor light. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. This thing is solar powered, which is awesome. It's got a really nice design to it. It's going to provide a lot of light. It has a nice large solar panel there. Comes with some film over the solar panel, so it should be in good condition. Really big, really nice, good condition. And then you have these LED panels, which you can actually turn and rotate to direct the light wherever you would like it to go. It's a super nice thing. I really like that. That way you can have light exactly where you want it to go. You can also turn the solar panel to catch the light from wherever it's shining. Very cool. This is the motion sensor here. If you want to stake it on the ground, you can use a stake right there. It did not come with a stake, but you could certainly do that. It did come with this. This is mounting hardware for it. On the back side, you can see these two little slots there. They'll fit into these two little slots here. You can mount this to your building and then just slide this right on top, just like that. It's nice and large. The widest part of the light panels measures 13 inches long. The solar panel measures just over 6 inches long, and the whole thing is about 7 inches tall. So it's a pretty good size for one of these things. I really like it. I love these trapezoid designs for the light panels. Gives it a slightly interesting look. To turn it on and off, there's actually a button back here on the back side of the LEDs. You just push that button. You can hear it click. That's how you turn it on and off so that the lights won't even come on unless you want it to. So I'm eager to try this out. Really easy to install. After you screw in the mounting plate, just slide on the unit. It'll catch light during the day and turn on the LEDs at night. So we'll come back tonight and see if it works. All right, here we go. I'm going to check out this motion sensor light and see if it'll come on when I walk in front of it. Perfect. That is perfect. That really illuminates the space here so that if I need to, I can work on this generator here even when it's dark, and it's perfectly illuminated by this motion sensor light. Works great. I recommend it.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.